may thin from outside. Array, this is the small tree, like look thin from outside, but deep inside its roots are strong. But deep inside its roots are strong. Best example, bamboo tree, bamboo tree. 5 years it took to build its roots. Even tomorrow, a big storm is going to come. Okay, a big storm is coming. Nothing happened to nothing happened to bamboo tree. Remember that. But the tree which is very tall, the tree which is just seems to be so just with a small storm, with a small rain, a small wind also, there are several trees falling down. But you never going to see bamboo tree falling down because of storm. Like no, roots are strong. That roots are your real wealth. Remember, whatever we are seeing outside, it is show off kind of thing. Your real wealth is really, it is invisible. Okay, so a tree may look thin from outside, but deep inside its roots are strong. Another tree may look big, but has weak roots, very weak roots. When storm comes, the big tree falls, the simple tree survives. Strength comes from what is inside, not what is seen outside. Strength comes from what is inside. Inside, what is there? Roots, how strong it is. From that, real strength is going to come. Okay? Not what's seen outside. Array, what show off kind of thing. That is not real strength. That is the noise. It causes a destruction, not creation. Okay? Remember.